I have a candidate for a new cooler, my old NVIDIA GeForce 8800 GTS. And that's just a stock cooler, and here's the actual card. And what I have with me to cool that down. Let's see. Thermaltake's Dwarb Cool More. It's an aftermarket 8800 GTS cooler. So I'm going to unpack this. So this is the Dwarb. So this is it. Let's see what this is. One hand opening once again. Don't want to damage the box too much. But while that's happening, look at the design. It's awesome. Looks nice. And the box contents. Looks like a manual. They didn't really like it probably, so they jammed it in there or something. I think there could have been another way to package it, possibly. Let's see what it says on here. Oh, diagram in Chinese. No, I think it's just pictures. Well, it looks pretty simple. And a sticker. Yeah, not important. What else is in this box? Oh, mounting screws and RAM heatsinks for the on the brackets. So I've gotten my alcohol and I'm going to clean out the old cooler. So I'm going to be using 70% on this pad. You know what? That's a bad idea. Use this to clean the GPU. As you can see, just gotta do circular motions. Cleans off all the old gunky thermal paste. Clean around the rim. When I get it all, you gotta see that NVIDIA logo. I've ordered MX2 thermal paste to replace this. So we got most of it off there on that side. Circular motions, circular motions. So as you can see, that's the result of thermal paste when it looks really nasty. I'm just gonna dip it in here and finish it off. I've already cleaned it, but I did something really stupid by putting on the old fan again, so that didn't really help. So we got a nice clean GPU. So we're going to dry it off here. Okay, so this is the cooler. Aftermarket from Thermaltake. I'm going to be installing it on there. First, start off with the RAM sinks. RAM sinks. Where are the RAM sinks? Here are the RAM sinks. So, let's do this one by one. Let's start off with the one that fell on my lap. Just peel. Really easy. You take it. And you apply it to the RAM. Shut. it's adhesive, so it should stick.